Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace, or just how to remove the rear door panel on Mercedes E-Class, the W211, which one will be the generation from 2003 to 2009 guys. So stay with us, let's go ahead and remove the door panel now. Alright guys, we recommend to disconnect the battery at least 1 hour before the repair, because you're close to a side airbag right there. You don't want that thing to go off in your face, but just be careful with it. Okay, now we need to remove that screw right there, and we actually need to get the right one. We need a T20 for that, Torx 20. Okay, right there, and we can pull that plastic cover off. Okay, next we need to remove, there is a bolt under that airbag cover. Just be careful how you pry this one, because they're fragile, especially if they've been exposed to a lot of sunshine, hot climate. Okay, this one is with T30, so we went ahead and removed that one as well. We'll probably need to get pliers, okay, to get the bolt out, but it's fine, we'll just leave it there for now, it's not gonna bother anything. Next we need to remove that cover there. Okay, we just pulled it out. We have two bolts now there with the same T30. Okay, those are out. Next you need to unscrew that thing. Okay, remove it all the way. Okay, it's almost out. Perfect. And now we need to start prying the door panel open. Okay, there is clips, quite a few clips. You come this way and then you need to go straight up. Okay, and a good advice will be to probably buy extra clips before you start the repair. We have the links on our website for the products we use, because to be honest with you, sometimes those break and you have to replace them after that. Okay, we forgot to mention there is actually a few extra things we need to do under the ashtray. Okay, you need to open it guys, and then you need to pry it. Okay, there is a couple clips there, and those are fragile. It's really scary removing those things, to be honest with you. You have to take your time. Okay, those are the two clips, okay, right here, so you can pull it out. Okay, and now that's where the bolt is. Okay, another T30. So let's remove this one quick. Okay, perfect. So now we'll be able to pull the door panel out of there. Okay. You can see now this thing will come out, so you need to make sure you feed it when you're ready to install it. So now let's disconnect the wire. Okay, let me show you how that thing works. That's the locking cable. You need to pull, okay, this way, pull it up, and then you need to disconnect it in an angle like that. All we have left now is a couple wires here that go to the door computer. Okay, just we believe one more holding. Okay, down there. So those, you pull them out, they get stuck sometimes. There is one little tooth. We need to get a very small screwdriver and pry a little bit right here. Okay, that's for the tweeter. Okay, we got the panel out of the way, so now let me show you where all the clips are guys, so you know what to expect. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We broke only one of them, and it looks like it was broken in the past. Whenever somebody pushed the panel, they didn't get the clip in the hole and it broke the clip, but that's fine. If you have only one broken, it shouldn't be a problem. You won't have any rattle or anything like that. So that's how you guys remove the door panel out of the way. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and help us grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.